Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to turn on or off silent mode on your iPhone. So let's get started. So if you're using the latest flagships or the models like 15 or above, then you have to follow this instruction. So if I tilt my iPhone over here on this side, you can see along with the volume up button over here, you can see there is another button. This is called action button. So in order to enable the silent mode, you have to press and hold this button. So the silent mode will be activated. Then you have to do the same. So what happened will be gone out of the silent mode. So I'll be demonstrating you that. Before that, I hope you'll be visible to this particular one. You have to just press and hold this button. So I'll be demonstrating you with that over here. So let me unlock my phone here. Now once I unlocked my phone, I'm just going to press and hold this button over here. To activate on the silent mode, I have to just press and hold this button over here. So I have to just do like this. Let me do it once again. So what you need to do is you have to just use your finger over here, then just press and hold over here like this. So the silent mode is activated. If I go over here, press and hold once again, so the silent mode is now it has got out from the silent mode. And also you can do it on the settings. So you have to go to the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the sound and haptics. Now over here you can see there is an option to silent mode. So if you turn on this is right now in the silent mode. If I go over here, turn it off, right now as you can see, this is how it's going to work. So this is for the newest model, but if you go for the older versions like the 14 Pro Max and all those things, if you go over here, there is another step that is all about. If I tilt my phone over here on the volume above, we can see there is a ringer kind of an icon. So it's called ringer. So what you need to do is, if you do like this is actually not in the silent mode. If I bring it down, this is actually in the silent mode. I hope it is visible for you guys. So I'll be demonstrating it with over here. So what I'm trying to do is I'm just going to keep my phone like this. If I go over here, lower it down, so this is actually right now in the silent mode. If I go back and if I tilt it up like this, it is not in the silent mode. So this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.